Thanks for taking the time to look at my short video clip. My name's Jon Dexter. This is Dexter's of Leicester. We're easy to find on the main Melton Road. This is especially for Keith. This could be your new car. You could have found it. We've got a couple of jobs left to do on it, but we're moving forwards with it, and I can show you around because it really does look superb. Deep Sea Blue 2015, with just one owner from new. We've got Clive Powell down in Harrow has had it. We've got some Mini service history. We've got 3 services with Mini. We're going to give it its 4th service, and we've got the OOT history, which you've looked through, and then we've got the recall, which is a software upgrade, and an EGR valve, which I think may have been causing its problems, maybe why the previous owner Clive decided to sell it, because he was fed up with that light. But we're going to get a £500 EGR paid for from Mini. For MOT till January next year, but we've just put it through a new MOT, which I think it's just flown through. I've got another key to get, and it's going to be pretty much ready to go. The recall's going in on Monday to Mini Leicester. They'll do a report on the car as well, so I can let you have that. But I'll stop waffling and I'll take you outside to show you around the car. So we're going to go through my prep bay, past the motorbikes. The S2000 is for sale, the Porsche's not. There's their little Honda electric, but that's the star of the show. Well, look at that, Deep Sea Blue with a contrasting white roof with a panoramic as well. Twin pipes, which we're going to give those another clean. It really does look nice. Provided or supplied by Berry. There's those alloys. And Graham's done a cracking job on Pirelli tyres as well, P7s, down the side there. Really nice. Darkened rear glass as well, so that's good. White mirror caps, wipers are all good. Front tyres and alloys, look at those. Really do look nice, so they've been well looked after. We've got the headlamp pack as well, so we've got the LED lights, and that's the daytime running light. There's the front, all looks nice and neat. No major stone chips, no chips on the screen either. And you can just see on the side there, that's the head-up display. Got a lovely yellow heart there from the cleaners. Not too impressed with those, but there you go. So the only thing I'm going to do is probably change these screws, because they want changing. But that, down the side there, looks really good. That alloy wheel is nice as well. And down the side there, very nice. Got the chrome filler cap, all nice and neat. And that back end, so we've got front and rear parking sensors. That rear wheel, beauty. And then inside does not disappoint, because we've got the 3 seat belts, the leather interior, backs of the seats are nice and neat, no major chunks missing. And the driver's side, door card's nice and neat, got the full electric windows. And then we've got that head-up display, got this aluminium finish. Then we've got the iDrive, widescreen navigation, heated seats, cruise control, Bluetooth, auto lights, auto wipers. And it really does look nice, that interior. Pretty spot on, and it's all illuminated by the twin sunroofs, which are there, which have got blinds as well, black headlining, and this seat bolster. That's really nice, that is. It's not had too much wear, so it does look good. Steering wheel, Jon Cooper works, very good. And we've just got the boot, doesn't disappoint. We've got the mats to go in, and they look really good. Even the driver's one is quite neat. We'll probably try and get that cleaned up as well. And the storage compartment is good down there. So, all in all, that top of that bumper, really quite shiny. So it's not had a hard life. He has looked over after it quite well. Jon Cooper Sports rear spoiler. Cooper S on there, but that does look good. Look at that. So I hope you like the video, and we'll keep you updated on Monday on the recall, and let's see if it all goes through okay. Thanks for looking.